We harvested our crops here. It's our snowshoe plants. Just gotta assemble them now. We got these very, very custom snowshoes. See how they work in the snow. They feel awful already. Oh, already tripping on them. See what happens in the deep snow here. Oh, look at that. They float. They're working pretty good. They're just very awkward. Too wide. Oh. Oh. But they are working. Sorta. Oh! Oh, oh no. That one's coming loose. But I do have flotation. It's at least 2 feet of snow here. Oh, sinking a little. These things were very terribly built. They're just kind of thrown together with wire and sticks, but you could probably improve them a lot if you tried. Just wanted to see if you could make some really quick out of brush. But yeah, they're very terribly built. I think you could do it if you tried a little harder than that.